In this video, I'll show you how to get more likes on TikTok. The first thing you need to do is hook your viewers within the first 3 seconds. If your video does not grab attention immediately, people will scroll past it. Start with something bold, ask a question, or show the most exciting part right at the beginning. Next, keep an eye on the Discover page and look for trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges. When you use trending content and add your own unique twist to it, TikTok will push your video to a much larger audience. Hashtags like FYP and viral can also help with reach. When it comes to video length, aim for around 21 to 34 seconds for the best chance of going viral. Shorter videos under 15 seconds tend to get higher completion rates, which is great for the algorithm. Videos around 60 seconds or longer can also do well because they rack up more total watch time. Post at the right times. The best times to upload are generally between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., and then again between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. Try to post 1 to 3 videos every day. Consistent posting tells the algorithm that you are an active and reliable creator. Finally, reply to your comments quickly. Engaging with your audience right after posting gives your video a boost in the feed. You can also add a call to action in your caption to encourage people to like and share. That is how you do it.